that left is, yeah, nice, all the way in. Yep. Okay, and I don't know that it's clicked all the way outward, your heel outward. Yep, there we go. I think it's in now. Awesome. And for you. Okay. You just get ingress in the right position. Okay, if you can push it up a bit more. Yep. Okay, I've got the battery. You have the battery,
and Jessica, Christina, at this point, or
okay, you have it. It's still read it to me.
Yes, and at this point, or at a convenient point, we recommend doing a RET swap onto Jessica's BRT RET.
Copy.
So our two astronauts now have their foot restraints all configured in the right settings with the handles out and ready to ingress. That'll be a bulk of the work today. Will be ingressing and egressing, or entering and exiting that foot restraint to access the batteries, get in a good position to reach them, and use the pistol grip tool to unbolt them.
Again, if everything goes as planned, Sunday, tomorrow, we'll complete the filling of the thermal control loop with CO2, then allow the system to stabilize. Monday, January 27th, the first pump will be powered on, which will allow it to filter out any debris in the system. The tracker will also be turned on that day. Then on Tuesday, January 28th, verification of the other 3 pumps to verify proper operation will begin. And finally, on Wednesday, January 29th, is when the teams expect to be receiving good scientific data again.
Get caught up to you here. But we do see there's a light on from the lab and a light on from the other one of the other CPs out to the port side. No, all's good. It's not an observation. Yeah, we got it.
Steering shades tucked, tethers are clear, and you're going to end up with your BRT RET to the battery tether point.
Okay. I'm going to take the workstation for just a second.
And Chris Cassidy is now set up in his foot restraint. He will then place the battery from slot number 2 on his BRT, or body restraint tether. Cassidy will then release the adapter plate underneath the battery and will remove the adapter plate and hand it over to Behnken. Behnken will then translate back to the truss to install the adapter plate in open slot number 2. At the same time, Cassidy is putting the old battery in the slot he had just emptied for disposal.
You want H1 stowed in your BRT.
H2 refers to a specific bolt on the lithium-ion battery, so Behnken knows which end to grab. The RET being referred to as a retractable equipment tether, just making sure that the battery is secured at all times.
I've got the battery. You've got the battery. I'm reaching my RET. A funny RET angle. Okay, RET's off. I've got the battery. And I'm ready to start, of course. Okay, coming out. Remind me with that safety tether stuff, is mine going in front of the APFR or behind? Your safety tether is going in front of the APFR right now. Copy, thanks.
and we see the wave, Chris. We want to check ingress aid tucked, and then we'll be grabbing the battery from your BRT H1 in your left hand.
H1 in my left hand. Ingress aid tucked.
Copy. Here, go to soft dock.
Cassidy is now preparing to soft dock. The battery 4, a nickel hydrogen battery, just removed from the integrated electronics assembly onto the external pallet where he just removed an adapter plate.
Okay, I'm coming into the... You're at the bolts.
Copy, Bob.
Свои перецепил.
I have rehooked my tethers, and the kit has been re-tethered as well. I'm now closer to the platform, okay? And I'm holding it now. Copy, handing it over. Okay, stand by.
Left latch is open, right latch is open. And we are putting the lock. We are putting the latches into the working configuration. Copy. And I got the airtight container. I am handing it over to you.
Ребята, и в обратной последовательности идем.